From down dog, let your shoulders relax, neck and jaw relax. Begin to connect to yourself, connect to your breath, connect to your energy, and bring 100% of your effort to this moment. When you dig down and find that little extra, do it for yourself. Look up between your hands. At the bottom of your exhale, walk or float your feet to the top of the mat. Lift and lengthen your spine, neck long. Exhale all the way down. Drop your hips straight down, bend your knees as deeply as you can. Bring your arms up overhead, heart shines, 𝙂𝙤𝙤𝙤𝙤. Belly lifts, tailbone down. Exhale, swan dive forward. Inhale, lift halfway. Exhale, forward fold. Palms down, walk or float, plank pose. Chaturanga, knees down to modify. Up dog, shoulders back. Exhaling to down dog. Lift your right leg, three-legged dog. Core plank, right knee to nose. Right foot to the top of the mat. Inhale, arms overhead, crescent lunge. Press into the ball of your left foot. Lift your belly high, heart open. ⅕ Kriya. Inhale, reach through the fingertips. Exhale, ha. Lift. Ha. Lift. Ha. Lift and hold. Hands to your heart. Take your twist over your right thigh. Roll your right shoulder blade onto the back as you lift from your left abdomen. Open your arms wide. Modify taking your left hand to the instep of your front foot like opposite. Inhale, crescent lunge, arms forward, heart forward, lift. Exhale, your left arm reaches back, your right arm forward. Twist so that your body's facing the long side of your mat. Inhale, arms forward, chest forward, crescent lunge. Exhale, right hand comes back to your left hamstring. Reach up through your ribs, bring your ribs away from your hips. Look up, reach back. Inhale, arms forward, crescent lunge. Keep your right knee fixed in space. Open to warrior two. Right knee stacks over your right ankle. Windmill your hands to the top of the mat. Plank pose. Chaturanga, elbows back. Up dog or cobra. Down dog. Big inhale. On the bottom of your exhale, lift your belly, hop your feet forward. Lift halfway up. Exhale, forward fold. Big toes together. Bend your knees as deep as you can. Drop your hips, heart up, arms up, chair pose. Lift from your belly, tailbone long. Exhale, swan dive forward. Lift halfway, length. Exhaling, palms down, plank pose. All the way down to chaturanga. Up dog, shoulders back, heart open. Down dog, exhale. Left leg high, three-legged dog. Take a look at your left pinky toe. Make sure it's facing to the floor. That keeps your hips square. Exhale, left knee up into your chest, core plank. Left foot comes up next to your left thumb. Press into the ball of your right foot, stacking your right heel up. And inhale, crescent lunge. Pull out of the hip crease. Energy flows freely through your front hip. Lift your right hamstring. 3 ha kriya. Exhale, ha. Lift. Ha. Lift. Ha. Lift. And hands to heart center. Take your twisting lunge, right bicep over your front knee. Roll your left shoulder blade onto your back, but lift the right hamstring to the sky. Open your arms wide. Modify with your right hand to the instep of your front foot, and if you need, you can always take your back knee down. Inhaling, heart forward, arms up. Exhaling, right arm back behind you. And reach your fingertips away from each other. Inhale, crescent lunge, heart forward. Exhale, left hand to your back hamstring. Make your foundation solid. Fortify yourself through your core. Then you can reach up, staying steady. Look back, reach back. Energy expanding beyond your fingertips. Arms forward, heart up. Open to warrior 2. Pivot the back heel to the earth. Nice and strong in the front leg. Windmill your hands to the top of the mat. Plank pose. Chaturanga. Up dog, heart shines forward. Down dog, side out. Ah. Big inhale. And as you exhale, hop your feet to the front of the mat. Lift halfway up, lengthen. Exhale all the way down. Catch your hips with your hands. Tuck your chin in and round your back up, 1 vertebra at a time. Letting your head lift last. And bring your hands to Namaste.